I'm so scared, Charlie. Do you think the monster's asleep? Ooh.
I don't think that thing goes to sleep. And if it does, it's already dreaming about its next meal.
Oh, Charlie, please hold me.
Come here, my little sourdough.
I think I hear the monster, Charlie. What do we do?
Shh, be quiet, Veronica. Maybe she'll forget we're here.
Charlie, I got something to tell you. I'm pregnant with your baby.
I'm gonna be a dad.
You look good, you look good.
Veronica, no!
It'll be fucking tasty. Carbs, carbs, carbs. I love my motherfucking carbs.
My sweet Charlie, I hope you're doing better than me.
Veronica!
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull get weak. Yeah, you fucking.
Yummy in my tummy. Nom, 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 nom.